2nd September 2007.
Oh my God!
1 month earlier, 6th August 2007, on his dad's birthday.
Hi dear, it's my dad's birthday. Yeah, I'm on my way. Ah!
It's because of you that I never win any race. This will reduce your speed, you bastard!
Don't let this incident affect your career. You are running the next race and winning it. I'm by your side. You are the best.
2nd September, the day of race.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, Sarah. I have to discuss about Yuri's X-ray reports. Can you drop in?
Yes, I'll just be there. Hello, Dr. Raina.
Hello, Sarah. I have Yuri's X-ray reports, so I thought that it would be better if I had a word with you personally.
Before that, I would like to acquaint you with what happened at the racetrack today. I have never seen him lose concentration like this in a race. You know, he's very focused and passionate about his profession. But he just stopped an inch before the finishing line. I just don't know what happened.
Exactly. I was expecting something like this, but a little earlier.
Doctor, just come to the point, please.
Certainly. Just have a look at the brain diagram. This area is the medial temporal lobe, and this is the hippocampus. The hippocampus is an integral part of the brain which plays important role in long-term memory. Hippocampus converts the recent events into long-term memory. When the hippocampus is damaged, a person starts forgetting things occurred recently, as his brain cannot convert events into long-term memory.
You mean to say that Yuri's hippocampus is damaged?
Yes. Such a situation is called anterograde amnesia. In layman's language, Yuri has perfect idea about how his childhood was, and he might remember incidents prior to the blow on the head, but forgets the recent ones. Sometimes the patient feels that he has just awakened from a deep sleep. Each experience, dull or dramatic, evaporates from his memory within a few dozen heartbeats and leaves no trace.
Does this happen only due to physical damage?
There are various causes like vitamin B1 deficiency, alcoholism, malnutrition, eating disorders or poisoning, brain tumor, Alzheimer's, and even physical and psychological problems. Also, emotional trauma may lead to anterograde amnesia.
Doctor, is there any cure for this?
Psychotherapy is very useful when a person has anterograde amnesia due to emotional trauma. I'm very sorry to say that Yuri's memory may improve due to emotional support, but there is no way in which it can become perfectly normal.
Why did this have to happen with Yuri? Why?
I know it is difficult, but you must know how to make yourself strong enough to be his emotional support. Now, your emotional support is the only cure.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much. I'll take a leave.
I just don't understand. What's happening? What's going on? These people are out somewhere, doing something, going somewhere. Something about them tells that they're important. But what am I doing here?
How did this happen?
I don't even know what I had for breakfast. Wait, did I have breakfast?
Yudi, I just got a phone call. And I was informed that your dad passed away.
What? No! No! How can this happen?
I know it's difficult, but
No! No, you don't know. You don't know anything.
you have to be strong, Yudi. You have to be strong. And I'm there with you.
What? What happened? What are you talking about?
Enterograde amnesia, a helpless condition in which the patient is just a confused little child who makes all attempts to remember people, events, things, and faces disappointment after every attempt. Yuri knows that his dad was born on 6th August 1960, but he doesn't remember that he died in 2007. Such people's brain may be struggling to find alternate pathways with sporadic success. The condition remains helplessly same day in and day out. But Judy and Sarah are together. That's all what matters for now and for the rest of the eternity.